Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can download PyCharm on your Windows PC. So let's get started. I have opened Google Chrome. You can use any other browser if you like. Simply search on Google, download PyCharm Community Edition. Click on this first link. So you don't want to download professional, you just scroll down and look for PyCharm Community Edition. Simply click on download. So as you can see, it's downloading right here. It will take a couple of minutes depending on your bandwidth of your internet. Now it's downloaded. Simply open, next, click on next. So this is the very important part. Make sure you check all of these options. Next, and hit on install. Now let me fast forward this process so you don't waste your time. It will take some couple of minutes. Okay, now it's installed successfully. I have to reboot my system. Okay, now I have restarted my PC. So you will see a icon of PyCharm on your desktop. Just double click. Okay, you will see this window first time. So let's create a new project. So here you see the location. So I recommend just to clear this long path and minimize it to as less as possible. I just do C drive Python project, straightforward. Now create. Here you go. So you have everything installed properly on your PC. So this is a demo content. You can just do select and delete. Now you are ready to do code. So if you want to see your project folder, simply go to File Explorer and simply go this PC. I created in C folder. Go in C and you will see Python project right here at the bottom. So as you can see, this is the main Python source file in which you're gonna write all your code. That's the virtual environment. You will see all the file right here. So this is what you get when you create a project using PyCharm. So that's it for the video. If you really like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I see you in the next video. Thank you.